Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a poll on Snapchat. So first step you simply need to do is to open Snapchat application. Once you open you simply need to take a snap. Once you take a snap you simply need to click on this icon and then you simply need to search for the poll. Wait for a few seconds so that the poll will open and then you simply need to write your answer and then you have to select the Giphy from here. Yes, no, okay, and on the top you can write how's your day today. Okay, then you need to click on the tick mark and you can add like this and you can add onto your story and then you can see that when someone visit your story he have two options, that is yes or no. So this is a process that you need to follow. I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.